Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general settings. Now we have to tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Here we have to tap on add a language, and we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it. You can also choose the region, so just mark it, and your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on change, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here in this list, you can quickly reorder them. So just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and change it immediately, or simply tap on it like English and you will not have to confirm anything. So this is how it works. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this edit icon, mark the languages you want to remove, and tap on delete. Tap on remove, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.